Hello everyone, and welcome back to Amazing Fragrances. This is going to be part 2 of our Henry Rose fragrance review. Henry Rose was founded by Michelle Pfeiffer, the famous American actress, in 2019. She has 11 new fragrances that I have discovered here in my discovery kit that I just purchased a couple of weeks back. And today we are going to be reviewing the second half of her fragrances. And these last 5 that we have here are all composed of citrusy, floral, woody, and amber woody themes. The first one that we have of the 5 is called Windows Down. Windows Down is considered a citrusy fragrance. It has grapefruit, honey, neroli, gray tea, and it's described as a floral fresh scent. Windows Down does smell really nice. It's very fresh, just like its theme. I like it. I like Windows Down. Now, all of her fragrances in the line for Henry Rose are all made with clean ingredients, so there's nothing toxic about any of her ingredients. They've been tested over the years. She's been working on this line for about 10 years, so her fragrances are considered to be paraben free and toxic friendly and friendly to the environment. Number 2 we have is called Last Light, and it is considered a smooth fragrance. So this has fresh floral notes. It's got musk and patchouli, and it creates a woody effect. And this one is really nice. I like this one. This has, the patchouli is what's kicking this one. Last Light. That is very smooth with the patchouli. I like this one, Michelle. All right, number 3. This one is called Queens and Monsters, and this one has a theme of being very rich. Queens and Monsters has a freshness and a zest and notes of sandalwood for a woody aroma. This one smells nice. I like that, and it is very rich. It's rich in the woodiness, and it's rich in the sandalwood as well. Queens and Monsters is nice. Now when I get to the end here, folks, we're going to decide which one is a full bottle worthy purchase, as opposed to maybe just trying samples of these first. So number 4 we have is called Sheep's Clothing, and it is a floral woody scent. It's got pink peppercorn, Turkish rose absolute, and it's reminiscent of amber woods. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah. Sheep's Clothing is nice, you guys. And comment down below if you have any of these fragrances by Henry Rose. Let us know which one that you like as well. And now for the last and final one here in part 2 of our Henry Rose review is called Char, and it's considered an amber woody scent. Now this one is her tonka bean. It's got tonka bean absolute, Ivory Coast ginger, Moroccan orange flowers. This is something I would wear outside. And what I mean by outside is if you wear it indoors, it might be a little bit much around others as far as blasting out the room. These have all sat on the strip for about 10 minutes, so this is still very strong. And I am smelling the amberness. I'm smelling the amber. I don't really smell any tonka bean though. I'm smelling a lot of the amber. I think the amber is kind of overpowering the tonka bean, because usually tonka bean is very calming and relaxing, at least for me anyway. So that was number 5, called Char. Okay folks, so out of these 5, the one that I feel, or the ones that I feel would be full bottle worthy, would probably be Last Light, which is the smooth one. Yeah, that's really nice. Again, Last Light had the patchouli and the musk and the florals. So if you like patchouli, you'll really like Last Light. And this one is called Sheep's Clothing. This was the Floral Woody. Yeah, I like that one too. This has the Turkish Rose Absolute and Amber Woods. And it's the Floral Woody scent. So those two to me are actual, I would say, full bottle worthy. And again, folks, these fragrances are not cheap. As I told you in part 1 of my Henry Rose review, these fragrances range for a 50 ml bottle, which is a 1.7 ounce, for $120 on the Henry Rose website. You can also get an 8 ml bottle for $35 of the fragrances, and I believe all of the fragrances, or mostly all of them, come with body creams and candles as well. So you can get the candle also in the fragrance of your choice. Or you can go ahead and purchase the Discovery Kit, like I did, which has all 11 scents of the Henry Rose collection for $45, and then you can decide which ones you would like to have. That would be a full bottle. I totally believe in buying samples first before you make that obligation to the full bottle, so that way you won't get angry like I do most of the time if I buy a full bottle. So again, this one right here for this review, I'm considering Last Light, which is the smooth fragrance that has the patchouli and the musk, as a full bottle worthy, and the Floral Woody Sheep's Clothing. So comment below and let me know which ones you have of the Henry Rose collection, and what did you think about the ones that you purchased as well. Which one is full bottle worthy to you? And once you consider that, after you comment, you can check out this video here coming up and let us know your comments on that one as well. And we will see you soon on the next video.